Hello, welcome back. Day, just going to work. Special. But I feel like I should keep talking while the bike's accelerating so you can hear how good it sounds. There we go. Got it eventually. Testing and reviewing, and the wind sounds pretty noisy to me. It doesn't actually sound that noisy on the recording. It actually sounds really good. Headed to work, still mowing today. Should be a pretty easy day. It's a bit warm. It's only up to about 32 degrees Celsius today. Shouldn't be too bad. Hopefully he's not bloody moving his cows around. Good. Done all that earlier. Sounds bloody good. Let's rev up. Sorry about the audio quality from my other videos. When I have the GoPro attached to the front of the bike, I don't know, I feel like it vibrates a heap and just distorts sound. It sounds like I'm bloody on some really crappy dirt bike or something. When I'm on a cruiser, such a nice tone to it. I'm very happy with this bike, how it sounds, how it drives, the maintenance that's required, very little. Cows today. Jeez, they look tasty. Another beautiful day, not a cloud in the sky. Come up to this corner, check it to my right. Fun corner, whee! Slow down for this one. It's a blind corner with gravel on it. Coming, plenty of gravel though. No, it's not too bad today. Up to the next blind corner, no one's coming, and there's no pedestrians. Side of the road, because I'm going to turn left. Bloody gravel everywhere on this corner. Take it a bit. Look what happened there. Beeps me, I don't know what that's about. GoPro's still recording. I don't know if it's still recording my voice, or maybe it's bloody done its thing where it only records like 12 minutes and then it stops and starts recording again. GoPro seems a bit weird, but bloody the price it is and the year we're it should be, be able to record. But it overheats, runs out of battery. Oh well, does what it does. Good enough to work around anyway. Back roads, this 4 mile lane that I'm on at the moment. Crossing over Swan Creek, I think that one is. Coming up to another blind corner, slowing down. Going over this part because the rest of it's bumpy. Big bump here, stand up. Another bump. Going up the hill. going up to a crest. It's another blind spot, basically, for me and the person coming over, because it's got a cool, nice big bloody valley there. Usually it's full of water, but we haven't had too much rain lately. It's actually managed to dry up. It's the first time I've ever seen it dry up completely. Everything's looking a bit bloody brown and yellow at the moment. We had a bit of rain, bloody, start of the week, but that's kept everything just going. Right, there's another corner coming up, sort of blind, and someone's put some bloody crap over the top of the road there. It's like sand, very slippery, right on the corner, so you've got to slow down for that one, or at least take it straight. Coming up to another blind corner. Slow down for this one. Trucks and stuff, and way intersection, so people just bloody blast through this intersection. They don't even look. Go about 80 k's, just try and jump their car through the whole intersection. You've got these crappy bloody potholes there. Across the bridge, no water dragons today. Like to sunbake on that bridge. Cows having a good, nice bloody sit under in the shade, lie down in the shade. Out here on this road, there's bloody wallabies and kangaroos all over the place. They're usually pretty smart. I've rarely ever seen kangaroos on the side of the road as roadkill. But they do jump around a bit. I've seen them jump out of bloody shadows in the side of the road before, and geez, that's scared the crap out of me a few times. Massive bloody eastern greys out here. I swear they're like 2 meters tall. They're way bigger than me, and I'm about 1.8. Nice little quick ride into work. Nearly there. As usual, I'll cut it short before I get to work. Wouldn't take too much to Google search where I work. I don't really want to dox myself, make people, take 10 seconds to work it out. Most people can't even be bothered to waste 10 seconds. So, yep, 30. Well, like, subscribe, all of that. If you have any ideas or anything, put them down in the comments. Goodbye.